Hi friends, and today we are going to talk more about the Instagram app, and right now we will show you how to check what someone likes on Instagram. So right now we are on our profile page, and before I will show you something, I need to say that previously the special option to view other people's interests was available, but right now you can only see other likes when you come across the particular post, unfortunately. So what does it mean? It means that, as an example, I'm interested in this account and I want to check which posts this user liked. So, what can I do? I just only need to find some posts, and as you can see here, we have the special inscription that somebody of our following list liked this post. So I'm interested in the HardReset.Info account, and as you can see, we have the special inscription that this HardReset.Info user liked this post. This is only one way we can check others' likes. Only this way. Unfortunately, one time we had this special option to check others' likes, others' posts, others' shares, but right now nothing, absolutely nothing like that. The only way is to check the inscription below the selected post and check if this person liked this image, this post or not. Guys, I hope that this short, really short video was useful, because a lot of people are interested in this topic, and yes, this question is so popular, so don't forget about likes and check our other video on the channel where we share more cool options, tricks and secret features of the Instagram app. And good luck to everyone. Bye bye.